I'll guide you through how to create a Facebook business page. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, log into your Facebook account and head over to Create Page. This is where everything starts. Type in your business name, pick up to 3 categories that describe what you do, and write a short, clear bio to introduce your brand. Once you're ready, click Create Page to move on. Next, add all your contact details so customers know exactly how to reach you. Then, upload a profile picture, like your logo, and a cover photo that really shows off your business. Don't forget to set a custom username. This makes it easier for people to find and tag your page. Choose a call to action button, such as book now or visit website, to guide visitors toward the next step. Before you publish anything, use View as to see exactly how your page will look to others. And finally, start posting content that will engage your audience and help your business grow.